Have you ever felt like your cat did something wrong and then acted a little strange afterward? One moment they're calm and the next, they're a tiny tornado. But then they come back. Quiet, calm, almost thoughtful. It might seem random, but what if it's not? What if your cat is actually trying to make things right? Cats are often misunderstood. People think they're distant or even indifferent.
But in reality, they notice more than we think.
Like this, a slow blink. It's not sleepiness.
It's their way of saying, I mean no harm.
And then there's this, the gentle headbutt. It's how they rebuild connection. Sometimes they don't leave at all. They stay close, just enough to feel safe. But here's where it gets more interesting. After tension, cats often groom.
And sometimes they even groom you.
Then there's the unexpected. They bring you something.
A small offering to shift things back to normal. This isn't guilt, not the way humans feel it.
But they do understand when something feels off. And they try to fix it in their own way.
When you respond calmly, they feel it. And the bond becomes even stronger.
Every blink, every nudge, every quiet return.
They're not saying, I did something wrong.
They're asking, we're still okay, right? Your cat may not say sorry, but they always find a way to stay close.